Hello guys, today we are going to write a very basic Python class. Our intention is to have a very short video to show the most basic feature that a Python class can have, a customized class actually. So here in this Jupyter notebook, we are going to define together a very basic class with name of my class. So usually a class can be defined with class keyword and then your class name. So I just name it my class. So usually the convention is to have a title type of naming. So it means every first character of the name of your class name should be capital. So my class should M and C should be capital. So in the most basic class, we don't want to inherit anything, so that's why we can put a colon and write our first method. So usually the most generic first method that almost in all cases you have to write and you need to define is the constructor. So the constructor in Python, its name is init, and it starts and ends with double underscore. So like a function, we define a method with def, and then double underscore, and then init, and then another double underscore, and like other function, we can pass some parameters. So by convention, all the class methods, all the methods actually that bind to the class, they accept at least one argument, and we can name it self. You can name anything, but you have to keep naming this for other methods. But by the convention, we can name it self, as all the other developers everywhere around the world also following this. So it's very easy to read your code as well for them. So in the constructor, we can define anything. Like for example, my class, I want to have my class have a name, and by default name can be none, and that's it. So it's pretty simple. So in order to actually create one object of class, I just need to call this class. So usually when you call a class, one of the first method that gets called is init. So if you go under the hood and see what other type of methods gets called, it could be more than init, but for now we just stick to this basic behavior. So when we call the my class, any parameter you pass in will be passed down to the constructor. So since we don't have any arguments expected to get value, the empty parentheses would be enough. So in order to make it, just hit enter, and my object gets created. So if I just want to access to the name, it should be none. Let me print it because it's not going to show you anything. At least I show you something. So you also can actually set a name for that if you want. So if my name, if you name it, it's gonna be set this value under the hood for you. So if I call it again, you can see it's named. So this is the most basic class I wanted to show you, but for other tutorials we can go further and we can discover more dunder method. These type of methods that start and end with double score, they also called as dunder method as well. Some people call magic method as well. So get to use these names, and please subscribe and like the video if you like the content. Thank you.